Training fabric allocation, cutting slip section. In cutting slip, when we make new, we do stock. It's not related to customer order. Entering product and making overcut. We'll make overcut 100 using size breakdown. Recalculate. And we can see fabric allocation panel. None of the fabrics are reserved now. We'll be using the hyperlink to see stock. We have two shade location into the gray. In the cutting slip, we are now using the non-shade. We're gonna undo that, cancel shade, and reallocate the other shade, the 4545. And we're gonna reserve fabric using this icon. Same thing for the other fabric. All fabric need to be reserved to be able to change status to confirm the cutting slip. Fabric can be reserved for a group of cutting slip, searching for work order here. Fabric requirement on top, calculate, and we can see that two of the fabrics are not reserved, selecting the line and using the icon to reserve for multiple. Fabric can also be reserved using analysis function. We can reserve fabric if available, even if it's not available, going negative, or reserve later on. Maximum weight per color is to do garment dye to split in multiple cutting slip a single product. It's activated into administration, preference, and activate weight management into cutting slip. If you change fabric allocation during cutting slip, an update fabric allocation button will appear.